When ready, proceed forward. Breathe in by taking air deep into your belly. Allow your belly to expand while your shoulders and chest stay relaxed. Breathe out slowly, allowing the air you exhale to deflate your belly. Pause naturally. Breathe in by taking air deep into your belly. Think the number 3. Breathe out slowly. Focus on relaxing. Breathe in by taking air deep into your belly. Think the number 4. Breathe out slowly. Focus on relaxing. Breathe in deeply. Think the number 5. Breathe out. Focus on relaxing. Breathe in deeply. 6. Breathe out slowly. Relax. Breathe in by taking air deep into your belly. 7. Breathe out slowly. Relax. Breathe in deeply. 8. Breathe out. Focus on relaxing. Breathe in deeply, now counting your breaths backwards from 8. Now breathe out slowly. Relax. Breathe in deeply using your diaphragm. 7. Breathe out slowly. Relax.